So, good day, ma'am. I am Kristen Jade Argo Balani po. May I know your name po?
I'm Mel, the ticketing reservation of CB Express Travel and Tours, Cabuyao branch.
Okay. So, we are from St. Vincent College of Cabuyao po, taking a Bachelor in Science and Tourism Management. We are here to conduct an interview po about 4Ps to learn more about it, and such as price, product, promotion, and place po. So, thank you for giving us this opportunity. So, for question number 1 po, what services does your company or airline or agency offer that make you different from others?
Actually, wala kasi kung usapan na travel agency, halos parang-parehas lang kami. Nagkakaiba lang sa way of kung paano ka kung paano mo pakisamahan yung client. Ganun. So, madalas naman sa ganyan, mga ticketing, PSA, mga more on documentaries, visa assistance.
For question number 2 po, how do you make sure that customers are happy with your services?
Pag bumabalik sila. Yes, yun talaga ang ano namin. Pag sinasabi nila, galing din ako dito nung nakaraan, dito ako sa inyo kumuha. At the same time, yung nire-recommend nila kami sa iba nila kakilala.
So, for question number 3 po, are there new services or programs that your company is planning to add?
As of now, wala pa. Since gine-generate pa rin namin yung mga services offered na meron kami.
So, for question number 4 po, how do you usually decide the price of tickets or travel packages?
Sorry?
How do you usually decide the price of tickets or travel packages?
Pag travel packages, it depends sa airfare. Siyempre, doon tayo naglulook muna bago sa pinakalan arrangement. So, dapat make sure na yung kanilang airfare ay kung maaari, mababa. Kasi sino ba namang traveler ang gusto malaki ang airfare tapos, di ba? Yes.
For the last question po para sa akin is, do you offer promos or discounts? How do this help attract customers?
Ay, oo, syempre. Lalo na pag nasa group sila. Nagbibigay kami madalas ng pa-promo or discount. Kung group tour yan, syempre, malaki-laking discount yan. Ganun.
Thank you po. So,
good day, I'm Princess Nadia Albania. And the next question is, how can customers avail or buy your services?
Via walk-in. Pwede sila mag-walk-in. And most of them are from online. Facebook. Yan. Doon sila madalas nag-i-invite.
Has technology like website or mobile apps changed the way customer access your services?
Ay, oo. Kasi to the point na pati TikTok world, pinasok na rin namin. And as of now, meron naman kami mga client from TikTok. Yan. TikTok, IG, Instagram, Facebook.
Do you work with other agencies or partners to make your services more available to customers?
Meron kami mga partnership, mga portal partnerships, pero with other travel agency may mga portals lang, pero hindi na natin siya
Next, what strategies does your company use to promote or advertise your services?
Usang-uso yung TikTok. Ayan. Popost kami sa TikTok. Pinapost din namin yan sa Facebook. Ayan. Pinapasok namin ng social media. Kasi doon kami, yun ang pinaka-main namin, source. Maliban sa walk-in, social media.
How do you use social media ads or partnership to reach your customers?
Parehas lang naman. Like, yung sagot ko kanina, ganun din. Kasi nga, most of our clients galing naman sa social media. Mga galing ang madalas yan, galing ibang bansa. Nagpapa-assist sila ng NTI, ticket, yan, apostille.
Do customer feedback and word of mouth play a big role in promoting your company?
Ay, oo, syempre. Kasi, pag galing na mismo sa client namin yung nirecommend kami ni ganito, galing daw siya dito, ganyan. Dito din daw siya kumuha. Mabilis daw dito. Syempre, malaking bagay sa amin yun. Kumbaga, compliment sa amin yun. Then,
Thank you po.